Welcome to another episode of Tech Talk Today, where we dive deep into the latest in AI and machine learning. I'm your host, and today we're unraveling the intricacies of DeltaLLM, a groundbreaking approach to compressing large language models. Joining me are our esteemed experts, a business strategist, an AI engineer, a data scientist, and a technology leader. Let's get started.
Thanks for having me. When I first heard about DeltaLLM, I thought, this is like finding a way to fit an elephant into a suitcase without losing its charm. It's all about reducing the memory footprint while maintaining performance.
Exactly. And the magic here is in the low-rank deltas between shared weights. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for model compression, versatile and efficient.
Chuckle. I love that analogy. The technique essentially compresses models by sharing weights across transformer layers, then fine-tuning with low-rank matrices. It's like having a favorite recipe, but tweaking it with secret spices to keep it fresh.
Right. And from a business perspective, this means deploying powerful models on resource-constrained devices becomes feasible. Imagine running a high-performance LLM on your smartphone without it feeling like it's lugging a ton of bricks.
That's fascinating. So how does this compare to other compression techniques like pruning or quantization?
Well, pruning is like trimming a bonsai tree. You're cutting away parts to make it leaner. DeltaLLM, on the other hand, is more about rearranging the branches to maintain the tree's essence. It keeps the model's core structure intact while reducing redundancy.
And quantization is like turning your HD TV into a black and white set to save power. DeltaLLM maintains the color and clarity, so to speak, by preserving performance with fewer parameters.
I agree with you both, but I have a slightly different perspective. Pruning and quantization can sometimes lead to performance loss, whereas DeltaLLM retains about 90% of the original model's performance with significant parameter reduction.
Plus, the real-world applications are immense. For instance, in healthcare, deploying these models on edge devices can lead to faster diagnostics without the need for constant cloud connectivity.
That's a great point. Speaking of real-world applications, do you have any examples of businesses that could benefit from this technology?
Definitely. Think about retail. Personalized shopping assistants that can run on in-store kiosks without needing massive servers. It's like having a personal shopper that knows you better than your best friend.
And in finance, fraud detection systems could operate in real time on ATMs, reducing latency and improving security. It's like having a watchdog that's always alert without needing a big kennel.
That's a vivid image. And let's not forget autonomous vehicles. They require real-time decision-making, and deploying compressed models on board can enhance their ability to process data swiftly.
I think we're all on the same page here. The versatility of DeltaLLM opens doors across industries, from smart cities to personalized education platforms.
It seems like the possibilities are endless. But what about the challenges? Are there any hurdles in implementing this technology?
Well, one challenge is ensuring the training data quality. The deltas need to be trained effectively, which requires good data. It's like baking a cake. You need the right ingredients for it to rise properly.
Also, while the method reduces memory usage, it doesn't inherently speed up inference time. So combining it with other techniques, like attention pruning, could be beneficial.
And from a business standpoint, there's always the challenge of convincing stakeholders to adopt new technologies. It's about showing them the long-term benefits, like reduced costs and enhanced capabilities.
True, but I believe the potential ROI makes it an attractive proposition. As they say, the early bird catches the worm, and in this case, the worm is a more efficient and scalable AI solution.
Well, this has been an enlightening discussion. Before we wrap up, any final thoughts?
Just that DeltaLLM is a testament to how innovation can solve complex problems. It's a reminder that sometimes less is more.
And it's exciting to see how these advancements will shape the future of AI and machine learning. We're just scratching the surface.
Agreed. It's an exciting time for businesses to leverage AI in ways we couldn't have imagined a decade ago.
Let's keep pushing the boundaries and exploring new horizons. The future is bright for AI.
Thank you all for your insights. It's been a pleasure having you on the show. And to our listeners, stay tuned for more episodes of Tech Talk Today. Until next time. Welcome back to part 2 of our deep dive into DeltaLLM. In this segment, we'll explore the technical intricacies of implementation and delve into more business applications. Let's jump right in.
All right, let's get technical. Implementing DeltaLLM involves restructuring the model's architecture to share weights across layers. We introduce low-rank matrices, or deltas, to capture the nuances between these shared weights. It's like creating a bridge between two islands to maintain connectivity without building a whole new structure.
Exactly. And the beauty of this approach is its efficiency. By using a progressive module replacement strategy, we can gradually substitute layers with these deltas, ensuring a smooth transition and minimizing performance loss. It's akin to swapping out parts of a car engine while it's still running.
From a technical leadership perspective, this means we can achieve significant compression with minimal training data. We're talking about using just 37 million tokens to train the deltas, compared to billions for traditional models. It's like getting a gourmet meal with just a handful of ingredients.
And that efficiency translates to business agility. Companies can deploy these models faster and at a lower cost, opening up new opportunities for innovation. Imagine a startup being able to compete with giants because they can run sophisticated models on affordable hardware.
Fascinating. So what are some specific business applications where DeltaLLM can make a significant impact?
Well, in the realm of customer service, imagine chatbots that can operate seamlessly on mobile devices, providing instant, personalized responses without needing constant server access. It's like having a concierge in your pocket, ready to assist at any moment.
And in healthcare, think about portable diagnostic tools that can analyze patient data on the spot. It's like having a doctor in a device, ready to provide insights without the wait. Let's not forget the potential in IoT. Smart home devices could become even smarter, processing data locally and responding faster. It's like having a home that anticipates your needs before you even realize them.
And in education, personalized learning platforms could adapt to each student's pace and style, providing a customized experience. It's like having a tutor that knows exactly how you learn best.
These applications sound transformative, but what about the technical challenges during implementation?
One technical hurdle is ensuring the robustness of the delta matrices. They need to be finely tuned to maintain model performance. It's like tuning a musical instrument to get the perfect pitch.
Another challenge is the integration with existing systems. Companies need to ensure compatibility and seamless operation, which can require careful planning and execution.
And there's the need for continuous monitoring and optimization. As with any AI deployment, it's crucial to keep an eye on performance and make adjustments as needed.
From a business perspective, it's also about aligning these technical efforts with strategic goals. Ensuring that the technology serves the broader objectives is key to maximizing its impact.
Well, it sounds like DeltaLLM offers a promising path forward for both technical and business advancements. Any final thoughts before we close?
Just that the potential of DeltaLLM is vast, and we're only beginning to explore its capabilities. It's an exciting time to be in AI.
Agreed. The innovation we're seeing now will pave the way for even more breakthroughs in the future.
It's a reminder that with the right tools and strategies, businesses can unlock new levels of efficiency and creativity.
Let's continue to push the boundaries and see where this technology can take us. The sky's the limit.
Thank you all for another insightful discussion. And to our listeners, thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of DeltaLLM. Stay tuned for more episodes of Tech Talk Today. Until next time.